Hello children. So today I am teaching about English grammar. In that first chapter, alphabets. So you already know about alphabets, right? There are 26 letters in a English alphabets, right? So you already know, we just going to revise it, okay? So A, capital A, small a. A for apple. Capital B, small b. B for ball. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Capital D, small d. D for duck. Capital E, small e. E for elephant. F. Capital F, small f. F for fish. Capital G, small g. G for grapes. Capital H, small h. H for house. I, big capital I, small I. I for ice cream. Capital J, small j. J for jug. Capital K, small k. K for kite. Capital L, small l. L for lotus. Capital M, small m. M for mango. Capital N, small n. N for nest. Capital O, small o. O for orange. Capital P, small p. P for pencil. Capital Q, small q. Q for quilt. Capital R, small r. R for ring. Capital S, small s. S for sun. Capital T, small t. T for tree. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella. Capital V, small v. V for van. W, capital W, small w. W for watermelon. X, capital X, small x. X for xylophone. Y, capital Y, small y. Y for yacht. Capital Z, small z. Z for zoo. So these are 26 alphabets. These are 26 letters in a English alphabets. Okay. So we'll sing one song. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? So these are the letters you have to practice. So shall we repeat? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, we'll know these alphabets. So now what is the sounds that comes from these alphabets? We'll know this. Okay, A, A. The sound of A is A. B, 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 B. C, K, C, K. D, 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 D. E, A. F, F. G, G. H, H. I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, A, P, 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 Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, O, V, W, 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 X, S, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay. So, apple, B, ball, cat, D, duck, elephant, fish, grapes, house, ice cream, jug, kite, lotus, mango, nest, orange, pen, quilt, ring, sun, tree, umbrella, van, watermelon, xylophone, yacht, zoo. So you have to practice the alphabets and the sound of these 26 alphabets. Okay children, now we know the alphabets, right? So we go to the next one. These are the small letter, right? These are the small letter. Fill in the blanks. What we have to do? There is a space between these two. So after A, what will come? What will come after A? Yes, it's a B. So after B, C. Very good. D, E. E after F. G. G after H. After H, I. Very good. After I, J. G, H, I, J, K. So these are small letters. We have to write only small letters. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R. After R, yes, yes, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the small letter alphabets. Where have you have already filled in the blank. See, there is a space, so you have to write between these. Now see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, these are the, we already filled in the blanks. Okay, next, jumbled up. So what is jumbled up? These alphabets are jumbled. There is not in a order. So what we have to do? We have to write in a order. So, which is the first letter? A. Can you find A? Yes, A. Then after A, it's a B. See, it's jumbled. So, it's not in a order. So, we have to write in a order. A, then B, then C. D, E, F, G, H, then I. Okay. These are the jumbled letters. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 alphabets. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 alphabets. So, these are the jumbled one. These are in a order, right? So, we'll go to the next. After I, what will come? J. So, we will write J first. J, K. K, L, then M, then N, O, P, Q, R, okay. See, these are the jumbled ones. So, these are in order. So, we'll go to the next one. After R, what will come? Yes. Yes. So, yes, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z, right? So, here also these are the jumbled letters. These are in a order. Okay. See, again you wrote one more time A to Z. So, you have to practice and you have to write fill in the blanks and these jumbled letters. Okay. Then next, look at the picture and each word and put the names in ABC order in the boxes. Okay. See, they have given pictures here. Elephant, boy, cat and drum. Okay. So, which is the first alphabet? A, right? So, here can you see, is it A? Is it A? Is it A? Yes, A for ant. So, we have to write ant here. Okay, A. Then after A, which will come? B. B for what? Boy. So, B for boy. Okay. Then after B, which one will come? C. C for what? Cat. Cat. C A T. Cat. After C, what will come? C D, right? D for drum. D for drum. D R U M. Drum. So, after D, E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. So, A, B, C, D, E. A for ant. B for boy. C for cat. D for drum. E for elephant. Okay. Now next, look at the picture of each word and write them in a alphabetical order. So again the same thing we have to do. First we'll go with the, but there is not only one letter here, they have made a word here. Okay. First, which alphabets? A. A, N, and. So we have to write A, N, and here. Then after A, B. Yes, B, E, B. Then C. C, the next one will come C. But can you see C here? No. So we'll go to the D here. So D, O, do. Okay. Then after that, which letter will come? D, E, F, G. G is here. So G, O, go. Then after G, H, I. I is here. So we'll write I, S, E is here. Okay. So these first will finish. Then here 3-letter words. So again see B. A is not here. So B. So we should see the first letter. Okay. B. So B, A, G. Bag. After B, C. Yes, it's here. So C, U, P. Cup. Then after B, after C, D. Can you see the D here? No. So E. After D, E. E, G, G, egg. Then E, F. So then F, A, N. Fan. G. After F, G. These all are finished now. So we'll go to the next. Okay, see L, J, I, M, K here. Which is the first letter? I. First will come I. I, C, E. After I, J. Very good. J, A, N. Jam. K. Kite. K for kite. So K, I, T, E. Kite here. Then L. Lid. L, I, D. See? I, J, K, L. Then M. M, A, T. Mat. Okay. Then go for the next one. So which is the first one letter will come? R, N, O, P, S. Okay. N will come first. N-E-T, net. O-N-E, one. Then P. P-A-R-K, park. After P, R. R-U-G, rug. Then yes. S-O-N-G, song. N-O-P-Q is not there. R, yes. Okay. We go to the next one. Q, W, T, S here. So what will come first? Q. Q, U, E, E, N, queen. और उस after that what will come? S. S, M, O, K, E. Smoke. Q, R is not there. Yes, then go for the T. T, R, A, I, N. Train. S, T, U, V. Do you find these letters? No. V, W. W is here. So, W, H, E, E, L. Wheel. So, W. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So, these are in a alphabetical order. So, you just see the first letter, which one will come first. You have to tell the alphabets first, then you get to know which one will come first. Okay, these what you wrote, this is called alphabetical order.